We're going to explain how to kick a player from your private Roblox Blox Fruit server. This is only possible if you own the server, meaning you paid for it or are the host. There are two primary ways to do this, using the in-game options and using the Roblox game settings. 1. Using the in-game server settings. First, ensure you're the owner of the private server. Once in your private server, locate the server settings menu. This is usually accessed by clicking a button or icon near the top of your screen, often near your character's information. The exact location may vary slightly depending on updates to the game. It might look like a gear icon, a menu button, or something similar. Look for a tab or drop-down relating to the players in the server. Inside, you'll find a list of all players currently online. Next to each player's name, there should be an option to kick them. This is typically a button or icon, possibly a red X or a trash can image. Click this option next to the player you want to remove from your server. Confirm the kick, and the player will be instantly removed. 2. Using Roblox game settings for more control. This method isn't as direct as the in-game option, but it might be useful if you're experiencing issues with the in-game method. To do this, you'll need to be on the Roblox website. Go to your games page and find the Blox Fruits game. Once selected, locate the server you're administering. In some cases, you might need to go into the game settings to view all players. After entering the game settings, you can find a player list, similar to the in-game method. Note that this might require you to have specific administrator rights within your server, depending on how you created the private server, or if you are part of a team. If available, you might find a kick or remove option next to each player's name. Select this option to remove the player from your server. Remember, this requires the game to be compatible with this type of control, which isn't always the case. 3. Important considerations. Remember that kicking players should be used responsibly. It is generally against the rules of most games to kick players unfairly or without cause. Use this ability only if a player is breaking the rules, disrupting the game experience for others, or being abusive. Always treat others with respect, even when enforcing rules in your private server. Misuse of the kick function may result in consequences on the Roblox platform. 4. Troubleshooting. If you cannot find the kick option, ensure you are the server owner and that the game hasn't been updated in a way that altered the interface. Check the game's official website or community forums for potential help or explanations of interface changes. Sometimes a game update can affect the location of the kick function or introduce bugs that prevent it from working properly. If you consistently have problems, contacting Roblox support might be necessary.